This is John. John was arrested for driving under the influence and was in need of legal assistance. John was very worried because he could be paying a heavy fine, get his driver's license suspended, and even face some jail time. Thankfully, John found us. Our DUI attorneys have a comprehensive knowledge of DUI law, years of experience handling a variety of DUI cases, and good local professional relationships. One of our attorneys sat down with John to plan a successful defense. He was able to help John reduce the sentence, avoid driver's license suspension, and eliminate jail time. John promises to never drink and drive again. When you or your loved one get arrested for a DUI offense, it's important to seek professional legal help right away. Contact us today for a free consultation.